Hi, my name is Mark Travis. Thank you for joining me for Travis on Transformation video series. Today I'd like to talk about a concept that we've never been able to really do until the past few years. It's sort of what Industry 4.0 is built on. It's part of some of what David Noor has been talking about in co-create. It's basically the ability we have now to collect data through the internet, through all these mechanisms we have to communicate, on customer demand. And we can see trends that are happening out there in real time. So now we're starting to feed that all the way back to the raw materials that make up a supply chain. And we need to become digitally resilient, which is another concept that I'm developing right now that I'll talk about in a different video series. But we can market, we can get market feedback, we can take that back to our supply chain through the Internet of Things and big data. We can apply this machine learning to say that if customer demand is going down or if it's ramping up excessively, we can instantly feed that back into our supply chain and our business partners and start rearranging what we need to rearrange to monetize or keep from losing too much money on our products and services. We can see when competitors start to make a move and if they're being successful or not, but it's all immediate, real time. Past days we'd have to wait a quarter, sometimes even a year to get that feedback because it just took so long to make it through this system. Now it's real time. Co-Create is a great book. I recommend you read it. I'm bringing a lot of David's IP into mine, including the Co-Create Canvas. You can't do it all yourself. What are your core competencies? What do you do well? And then for your whole ecosystem, your whole Industry 4.0 ecosystem, or how you provide value to customers from soup to nuts. What is your core competency and how are you working with other companies? How are you communicating with other companies? How are you sharing this information with the other companies? And are you all moving in lockstep as a team to get to your final destination? These are very important concepts. I'll be sharing more about Co-Create in coming video series videos, so please subscribe and watch. Thanks.